Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aong Natagalu. I am from Saint Pipil Jitu. In the German lesson, we learned the alphabet in German and special letter called umlaut. We are marked with two dots above certain letter and consist of only their specific letters. We also studied common verses so as greeting for morning, afternoon, evening, and night, as well as formal and informal ways of asking how someone is doing. Additionally, we learned numbers from 1 to 100. Conversational verses for asking about someone's name, age, and nickname, as well as vocabulary about hobbies and the days of the week. We also covered basic grammar, including the use of articles in German. The practical experience included self-introduction, where we practice speaking about ourselves, engaging in the questions and answer with classmates, and conducting simple interview. These activities help improve our speaking skills and confidence in using German in real life situation. Thank you. Mati kang. Jangan bu, nggak belum pencet.
Japanese subject. In my Japanese lessons, we first learn about greeting to prepare for entering the classroom. Also, we taught polite expressions to welcome or greet the teacher, and learned about ojigi, the bowing gestures as a sign of respect in Japanese culture. There are several types of ojigi, such as eshaku, keirei, and seikeirei. Additionally, we studied aisatsu, which are common greeting and expressions in Japanese culture. The next lesson involved learning the Japanese alphabet, including hiragana and katakana, as well as how to word in Japanese. We also practiced introduce myself in Japanese, stating my name, age, where I live, and nickname, and performed it in front of the teacher. Moreover, we practiced memorizing the names of objects in Japanese, such as newspaper, book, dictionary, magazine, notebook, pencil, and pen, and recited them from memory without using any reference materials. Thank you.
In my informatica lesson, during my study of information, we have learned the use Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel as vital work apps. In Microsoft Word, we studied how to create professional documents such as reports, official letters, and proposal with neat and descriptive formats. Also, learned features such as margins, heading, automatic table of contents, and use of the charts that are full composing the document efficiently. On the other hand, Microsoft Excel offers an insight to data processing use formula, charts, and functions such as sum, if, and lookup. Not only that, we also learn to make simple financial statements, and analyze data for decision making. This skill strengthens your abilities to work systematically and efficiently. In addition, we understand the importance of integration between applications to make work easier. As this knowledge is relevant in various areas of work and everyday life. By studying these two applications, we feel more ready to face the challenge of digital work. When practice the use of Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, talk with teachers, we feel very enthusiastic and energetic. In Microsoft Word practice, we practice to create official document with the correct table of content, and letter format. The teacher gives you step by step, with that make it easier. Used to understand the process. Use Microsoft Excel session. We taught how to basic formulas, make charts, and process data in complex table. At first, we found it a little difficult, especially understanding fiction like lookup. But after several attempts, we felt more confident, and we even also proud when we completed a task well and according to instruction. This practice provided a valuable experience that helped us understand the applications of theories in the real world. Your feelings during practice are a mixture challenge and affection because we know this skill will be useful in the future. Your experience hard future motivates you to continue studying and developing myself in the field of information.
The first material we study in software and game development, including the stage name, the planning, designing, developing, testing, and main testing. These stages form the founding of any software development life cycle and are critical for building virtual and real system. We also talk about software-based operating system, and we also learn about the history of Windows, as well as the foundation of hardware and software. This gives us a strong understanding and how software interact with hardware to perform various tasks. Apart from that, we learn about the comprehension of Android application, including their structure and function in the development process. Understanding this comprehension has been instrumental for building effective and efficient application. However, projects that we have completed, including creating effective diagram, use case diagram, and class diagram, to include and analyze system workflows. These diagrams have helped us visualize process and interaction in a structured way. And indirectly, we explore interactive design by creating prototypes in big game, focusing on user experience and visual constraints. This hand-on experience allows us to understand the importance of design in aiding users and meeting their needs. We also participated in implementing design into fictional prototypes, bringing the gaps between theory and application. Through this project, we has development a range of skill extension for software and game development, equipment us to tackle real-world challenges with career activities.